It's been a couple of months since I last looked at C Limited, so let's try to reenact the scene of the crime. This is the monthly chart, and we can see that there was some resistance at the $90 level before price collapsed. The origins happening in April. Now price finds itself in a resistance support level down at the $38 level. However, I anticipated that price would bounce and then continue its down trend. Now, I did have these dashed lines, so let's go to a smaller time frame. We're going to look at the weekly chart. Quite honest, I don't know why I had these two levels marked, with the exception of, again, if I go to the monthly chart, you can see price pulled back, left a hammer candle, and then it was off to the races. So potentially there might be some buyers on the monthly chart waiting for price to get to. Now, before we continue with the analysis, let's look at an article. It is coming from investing.com. See limited shares surge amid potential regulatory changes in Indonesia. So shares of Asian tech firm C Limited experienced a significant surge this past Monday, rising roughly by 15%. The upswing came in the wake of news about potential regulatory changes in Indonesia that could impact TikTok, one of C's competitors. The new regulation, expected to be introduced as early as Wednesday, September 27th, could pose challenges for the integration of e-commerce features on social media platforms such as TikTok Shop. This platform has been making rapid strides in the Indonesia market recently. C Limited operates three primary business segments, including the Shopee e-commerce platform. With these imminent regulations potentially hindering TikTok Shop's growth, Shopee could stand to benefit, which likely contributed to the surge that we saw this past Monday. In Q2 2023, about two-thirds of C's revenues was generated from its e-commerce division. Therefore, any decrease in competition within Indonesia's market could significantly influence the company's bottom line. However, despite the positive development, C stock remains considerably lower than its peak value, sitting at 90% below it. Company's low market expectations are partially due to concerns over competition from platforms like TikTok. However, if there's regulatory environment in Indonesia that alters favorably for C, these expectations might improve. All right, so kind of going back to the charts, and if we go to again to the weekly chart, you can see price has made a lower low, so that's not good news. However, price is sitting in this monthly resistance support band, which is why price right now is basing. So you have to anticipate a breakout in either direction. Now, if we break out to the upside, there's nothing stopping price from getting to $56. This red extended range candle signifies there are no sellers in this range. However, if price drops and breaks out to the downside, downside reward may be limited. Again, on the monthly chart, we saw that this was a hammer candle, but looking at it price action on the weekly chart, don't see any levels of interest till you get down to sub 20, and you had this really is the level here. You have a rallying price basing candle and a rally out, taking out the pivot highs to the left. So that would be the best level to go long on C Limited. However, prices at 40 would have to decline more than 100% to get to this level. Again, I anticipate price declining, but potentially pausing in the $25 to $30 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.